How to fix Instagram search not working. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways that can fix your problem. So first thing first, make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram. Head over to your Play Store or App Store, then search for Instagram. If you see update here, tap on update and update your app. Now for the next step, head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below, tap on apps. Here also, we have to search for Instagram. Tap Instagram, scroll below, then tap Storage. Here clear the cache, and if you remember your credentials like your username and password, you may also go ahead, tap Clear Data and delete the data. Now if it's still not working, then here is the last thing you can try. Launch your Instagram, get logged into your account where you're having problems, tap on 3-bar icon, scroll all the way below, and here you will see Help. Tap Help, tap Report a Problem, tap Include and Continue, and at this page, simply type in your problem. If you have a screenshot of your problem, you may go ahead and tap on Upload and upload it. Once done, tap Send, and after a couple business days, it will reply to you with a customized solution. Just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.